In order to change the DPI settings on a Motorola Moto G56, first of all, we can go to Settings. Now, here we have two options. We can, for example, go to Display in order to find display size, and over here we can move left and right in order to adjust the DPI like this. You can also tap anywhere on this slider, or you can use minus and plus a button on the left and right side. Now, besides that, you can also, in the settings, scroll all the way down, and we're gonna go to About Phone because we can enable developer options where we can also adjust the DPI. In this case, we can open device identifiers and then just keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. Enter the password, and then you should be able to see this information that you are now a developer. So we're gonna go back to the main menu of settings, then open System, go to developer options, and here we need to just keep scrolling until we find an option, which is this one over here, smallest width. Now in this case, the smaller the number is, the bigger the screen is. So for example, if I write 200, then the screen will be pretty huge, as you can see. Of course, there are some limits. So for example, if I write 200, it is actually 320, and we cannot write anything below that. Or actually set, not right. So if you want to make screen bigger, we can write a bigger number. So let's say if I write 600, then the screen will be quite small. So this is how we can adjust the DPI on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.